Hello and welcome back. This is a in the post video. It's designated in the post number 5. I have a letter here. It says, "Hi Steve, I am delighted to send you a signed Golden Benjamin Bunny 50p and a unique Golden 50p that no other coin tuber will have. Yours was randomly chosen by none other than Christopher Collects in the Raw Mint Cafe at this recent meetup. Hope your Golden Benjamin Britain 50p is to your liking and brings you much luck. Best wishes, Andy Smithy 7890. Smithy is somebody who has commented and is a subscriber of mine for quite a period, and this is the coin that he was talking about. Let's just zoom in a little bit. This is the Golden Benjamin Britain. It's a Benjamin Britain 50p with the golden touch that Smithy has put on it, and there is the side, the Queen's side, which says 2013, is it? Yeah, 2013 I think. The other one he sent me was this one. This one's a 2017, and it is of course the bunny with the signature on it. I'm very happy to have both of these. I did a swap with him. One of my bunnies will be going out to him, and I believe it's already arrived there. I'm at the time of recording this video. I sent him a couple of badges and other things as well from the channel, which he was happy with. Right, second person who does a lot of reviews for me on my content, and comments a lot for me to tell me what she thinks of my presentation skills and such like. And that's Angela. I think we'll all recognise that. That of course is, oh, what's the name? I think I did have it. Lizzie. That's Lizzie. That's Angela's dog, Lizzie. So apart from getting a sticker from Lizzie, I got some chocolate Euros that I'm sure I will enjoy eating in the not too distant future. The 2s and €1 coins. She sent me a 50p, a Benjamin Bunny, and asked me to sign it, which I'm more than glad to do. Now here comes the guts of what I wasn't expecting from Angela. I certainly wasn't expecting the chocolate coins, but this is something else I wasn't expecting from her. It says, "Hi Steve, hope this card finds you well. Thank you very much for offering to sign the Benjamin Bunny 50p to add to my collection of signed coin tuber 50p's. I enjoy watching your channel often. I enjoy watching your channel. You often show coins I have not seen before. Enclosed a stamped addressed envelope, a Benjamin Bunny 50p, and a small gift from Angela and Lizzie." And we have a nice picture of Lizzie again there. So what did she send me that was a bit different? The 50p you've already seen, and this is brilliant. I love it. It's a mat, but it's not just a mat, it's a box coins mat. How's that? Wonderful. It's taken from my channel logo. I think it's absolutely brilliant. It will either become not so much my coffee one, but I'll have that for my drink. If I have a drink later on in the night, you know, like a small whiskey or a vodka and tonic, that will be what I'm using to put underneath the glass. So Angela, thank you so much for that. That is unexpected and a great gift for me. The next one, I will be doing a review on this next coin that's coming up. Let me just come down a bit more. First one is with this coin from Change Checker. I got the Peter Rabbit from 2016, and that's the coin. It is the Williams 40th birthday. I'm going to be doing a special 50p review, sorry, £5 review for this coin at a slightly later date. Now this coin here I owe Dave till after. He showed this coin on his channel and I thought it was brilliant. I thought it was a wonderful coin. It is a Belgium coin. It's 88% silver and it's a 50 franc coin. I believe it's from one of the European fairs that was going on in Brussels at the time of the manufacture of this coin. What date is this coin? (1958), I believe. It's a 50 franc coin. As I said, it's 88% silver. I will be including this in a coin tuber, sorry, not coin tuber, in a coin review later on with some other silver bits I got. Talking of silver, that's better. This is the next one in the Icon series of silver coins that they're doing. This is a £2 silver coin. Let me just change that over so you can see the obverse side. Here's the obverse. It's a £2 2022 coin, JC portrait of Elizabeth II. And there is the coin itself. It is from the Icon series, and last year in the Icon series we had, sorry, 2 years ago we had the Robin Hood, then we had the Maid Marian. There is a second Maid Marian from, sorry, 2020 was the Robin Hood, 2021 was the Maid Marian, and in 2022 they've released this one, which is Richard Littlejohn. Sorry, not Richard Littlejohn, it's Little John. Or the character Little John from the Robin Hood series, Robin Hood coins, Robin Hood series, and they have released a second Maid Marian for 2022 as well. I've still yet to get the second Maid Marian one. I have previously done the Robin Hood and the original Maid Marian as a separate video earlier on. But that was from the Royal Mint, straight from the Royal Mint. I will be doing a full review on this just in a little bit later time, in the next week or so, or next couple of weeks. I'll be doing a review on that particular coin. So, I want to make an appeal to you now. I have not just this but now, as you can see, I have things ranging from Paddingtons, I have the People's Act there, what else have I got? Oh, public libraries, 2 public library ones, and Peter Rabbit. I have yet another public libraries, a dictionary, Victoria Cross the Medals. I have quite a few Olympics, and then I have another set of cards here, as you can see. I think I've got around about 80 or 90 trading cards here that are repeats of ones that I've already got. Now, I am missing the 3 that have come out just recently, which is the Brexit, the Diversity and the Queen's 70th anniversary one, I believe it is. If anybody's got one of those going spare and you need other cards in the collection, contact me in my email below. I am happy to do swaps for the 3 that I'm missing. Also, if you want to do a trade of other sorts, then please let me know. I have such a huge amount of cards that, to be quite honest, I would be happy to swap and exchange. Look at that, there's half a tub's worth, and that tub is quite a sizable sized tub, as can be seen from the side. Look how deep it is. So I've got sort of 3/4 of a tub worth of cards there. I would estimate 80 to 90 odd cards. Now, if you need any cards, let me know, and I will quite happily come to an arrangement where we can either swap or give away or whatever. I'm quite happy to let them go to people who need them. Just write to me. My email's down below in the description, and we'll come to some arrangement and I'll get them sent out to you, providing of course I have one. I will try and arrange to get a full list on one of the videos of all the spare cards that I have. Okay, so that's that. Let's get rid of that back into its place. So what did we have? We had the silver icon, silver Little John from the Icon series. We have a £5 coin. We have the 50 franc coin, which about the 50 franc being a silver coin. We have some coins that I'm going to enjoy scoffing into later on. We have a wonderful card from Angela along with my placement mat. We have a couple of nice photographs of Lizzie, the Benjamin Bunny that Angela wanted, and also a fantastic letter from Smithy with the signed coins. So that concludes this in the post video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't as yet already subscribed to the channel, if you could think about doing so and you're happy to do so, I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes and other memorabilia. Excuse me. For those who's having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you can find the coins you're looking for. For those of you buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da!